Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Captions AI app on your PC. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool makes video editing super easy and efficient. First, go to Captions AI website or open the desktop application if you have it installed. On the home page, you'll see the Save Projects. Click Create to start a new project. Here, you'll find a multiple features including the caption on video, where it can add the AI-generated caption instantly. You can upload and edit, that can import your footage and enhance with AI. You can also edit it with AI, that AI will handle your cuts, transition, and effects automatically. You can also translate the videos, convert the speech into different languages. You can create a AI avatar that can generate AI powered presenters. Captions AI on PC offers a variety of advanced AI editing tools to help you create a professional quality videos without complex manual editing. Simply explore the platform, test out the different features, and customize your edit to fit your style. While many features are free, upgrading to Pro unlocks premium tools, HD exports, and more customization options. The choice is yours. And that's it. With Captions AI on PC, video editing is now easier and faster than ever before. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI editing tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.